Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make this skirt. Transfer your skirt base pattern and then draw a line down the dart. Cut this line until you reach the dart. Close the dart. Close this hole with some paper. Mark the longest your skirt will be. Find the middle between these two lines. Go from the top till down with this exact same measurements. Now divide again by 2, both on the bottom and on the top, and then mark your shortest length. Make a semicircle. Cut your pattern. Remember that this pattern doesn't have a seam allowance. When cutting, add the seam allowance everywhere except the hem and the middle front or in the middle back. Fold the fabric and then add your first pattern. This one has the middle front. Add the seam allowance on the side and on the top, and repeat the same for the back. Now cut the side of the skirt. You need to have 4 pieces, 2 for the left and 2 for the right. Don't forget to add the seam allowance for both sides and the top. Now use your pattern. Cut it to make the inside of the skirt. I'm going to make it 5 cm long plus 2 cm for the hem. This is how many pieces you need to have. Sew this piece together. It should look something like this. Sew your small pieces together the same way. install the zipper. Fold your inside hem twice like this and sew it together. It should look something like this. Attach the inside of the skirt to the skirt itself, right sides together, like this. Cut the excess of the zipper and then fold the inside in order to be inside of the skirt. Attach the bias tape. It's actually easier than it looks. It will look something like this. This is the final result.